How to check if someone follows you back on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now the first method is simply tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar. Now type the person name or username, then tap on search. Now tap on accounts. Now open up the profile, then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now on the pop-up menu, if you find an option for remove follower, that means that the person follows you back on Instagram. If you don't find this option, then that person is not following you. Now the next method is simply go back, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on following. Now find the person you follow, then tap on followers, then tap on the source icon. Now type the person name. Now if you find the person here, that means that the person follows you back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.